Okay, everyone. So just a brief 2-minute tutorial on how to use delta math when you're entering in exponents. It's not intuitive, so I wanted to help you with that. Now, the one thing you have to do is when you write numbers, right? So you write 6, right? And then if you want to do x squared, you can type in x here on the keyboard, all right? You might not be able to see that. Yep, you can't see the keyboard. Or you can press x like that, right? And then, now if you're doing square, you could just do this. Okay, and then after that, that power, it gets brought back down. So the superscript, that is the 2, it gets brought back down, and then you can minus, 11, whatnot, all that stuff, okay? Also, in this functionality, you can write plus negative 11, okay? When you submit the answer, they still recognize it. Now, the trick is something like this. What happens if we were to do a question that has something to the third power, right? You see this, x to the third, right? So what do, right? So if I do something like this, where it's 2x to the third plus 2x to the third, that's 4x to the third minus x to the third, so that's 3x to the third, right? This is how you would write it. Again, you could press this here, or you can just put in 3 on your keyboard. It's up to you. 3, and then you have to write x, and then you see this button here where it says a to the b power. So that's for you to raise anything. So the a square button on the left, that tells you to raise everything to the second power. Okay, so that button does one thing only. It raises something to the second power. This one raises anything to any power you want. You see that? Look again, right? I press that. Okay, right? And then I could, what was it? Third power, right? And then the moment you do any other operations like minus or add, things like that, it kind of goes back. So it doesn't stay up top as a power. So that way you can submit your answer. Again, 2 things they do really well here. I tried it out last night. You can rearrange it so your 3x to the third doesn't even have to be in the front. It doesn't have to be in standard form. And 2 is you could write plus negative 3. All right, they will see that as the same thing as minus 3 or negative 3. It's the same thing to them. So that's good, okay? So less things to worry about there. Okay, that's it. All right, thanks for watching, and have a good one. And you can get started on your homework now, okay? All right, bye-bye.